What's up, guys? Welcome back. Ariana and I are going to make some tacos, and we wanted to show you how we make it, so just stick around. Make sure to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that way you'll be notified every time we upload a video. And guys, if you like the video, give it a like. It helps us out and it also lets YouTube know that people are engaged. All right, guys, so these are the ingredients for the tacos. So we have oregano, we have garlic salt,
we have pepper,
we have homemade sofrito,
we have store-bought meat, cheese,
yeah, the taco style,
the taco
these tostadas, I think that's what they're called,
and they're basically just flat taco shells.
Yeah, you can get these stuff at Aldi's, and also for color for the meat, some sazon. I'm gonna be using the cast iron because I feel like the meat always comes out amazing on this, and I'm trying to use it more. I feel like it cooks evenly. So we're gonna start off by putting it at 6. We're gonna have that heating up, and while that's doing that, I'm gonna use a wooden spoon. And Ariana, hold this right here.
Right. So what she's gonna do is put the chicken in first.
And the meat. So I took it out this morning to have it thaw out. So I'm just gonna break it up into as many pieces as I can, seeing as it hasn't really heated up completely yet, so it gives me a chance to really play around with the meat. Okay, so we're just gonna leave it just like that. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna put in some oregano first. Hold on.
So first she's gonna put all the spices in.
Here, and Ariana's gonna put the black pepper. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna put some garlic salt. I have another bottle, so I just want to use this one up just to give it some good flavor. And then Ariana's gonna come in with the sazon. This is to give it color. Yep. So it should look something like this. Alright, and the other thing that we're gonna put in is sofrito. This is homemade. If you guys want a recipe on how we make the sofrito, well, just comment down below. All it is just tomatoes and different types of peppers, onions, and basically all these things that we put into the meat in a consistency like this. The good thing about this is that if you wanted to, you can also grab like an ice cube tray, and freeze them, so then that way it lasts longer. So as you need it, all you have to do is just put it in whatever you make it. That's good, Ariana. So she put in 3 spoons of it. Guys, if you can only smell this, like, this is amazing. We're gonna let that cook for a while. You know what, I'm gonna bring it up just a little bit. You wanna make sure that this meat is cooked all the way because you don't wanna end up getting sick, guys. But while that's making, these tortillas are so awesome. You don't have to put them in the oven or anything. They come ready to eat. This is super quick. Once the meat is done, then you can just put it on top with all your toppings. If you want to put lettuce, tomatoes. At the end, once the meat is fully cooked, I like to throw in the Ortega taco sauce. They have them in different flavors. Super spicy, they have mild, and then they have the original. But if I'm not wrong, I think this is a spicy one.
We put a little bit in it. We don't put a lot because then it will get too spicy.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna lower this a little bit and just turn this on. And this is what we have. just lower the temperature a little bit to medium and have that do its thing. I'm gonna serve the girls with these foam plates because during the week you want to try to do less work. You don't want to add on to your to-do list. So I feel like this is the trick. And seeing as it's almost done, I'm gonna take the Ortega sauce, put a little bit in there, just like that. Like that. That should be enough. And then I'm just gonna swirl it around. That's it for the meat. So I'm gonna turn this off, and I'm still gonna leave it there. These plates, you can get them anywhere. I believe I got mine either at Dollar Tree. Seeing as I'm going to use the styrofoam plates, I just want it to be just a little bit sturdy. This is something that you can do when the kids come out of school or during the weekends. You can add whatever it is that you want. You can add lettuce, you can add tomatoes, sour cream, whatever you want. I just like this setup because it's flat. The kids don't have to worry. I mean, it might end up breaking, but they can grab it like if it was like clean. And the girls don't want it to be too fancy, so I'm just gonna take some shredded taco cheese and just put it on top. And you can take that Ortega sauce and also put it, you know, if you want it to be more spicy. If it wasn't spicy, I would put some on top. But that's pretty much it, guys. So this is the final result, our taco plate recipe. Now I'm gonna serve the girl. And there you go, the after school dinner. Yeah, do you like when I make you tacos? Mm-hmm. What about you, Ariana? Yeah?
If you guys want to see more videos of us cooking, please put a comment down below so that we can know what you guys enjoy.
And that is it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way you will be notified every time we upload. Also, comment down below. We want to know your thoughts and see what you thought about this recipe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on Snapchat. And until next time, guys, bye!
Bye.
Mwah.